guys, welcome back to another video. And let's react to this person. Let's do this.
So I just created this dope website with Wix. Let me show you how I did it. First up, go to...
Imagine that we took all the people on the earth and in some unimaginable way moved them back in time. Far, far back into the past when our planet has just been born. Let's imagine that the earth formed just 1,000 years ago and we all teleport to that very moment. What will we see? And can we survive? This newborn Earth on its 1000th birthday somewhat resembles present-day Venus. It is, in many ways, an almost identical, turbulent, troubled, hot world. To survive in such harsh conditions, we would have to turn to ideas of colonization designed for our sister planet. For example, living in aerostat cities floating in the air far away from the surface. In fact, these would be mega-dirigibles, capable of floating in the dense Venusian atmosphere. Or, as in our case, in the atmosphere of the young Earth. Approximately half of the surface of the freshly baked planet is melted oceans of magma, and the rest is more or less solid frozen lava crust. However,
I hate that. I don't like that. Bye guys, that's the end of the video. Let's sit down one more time. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe and like it. Hit the notification bell. It's right down there. Make sure to do it. Or else I might pause my computer and maybe break it without, or now I hate them. So bye-bye.